for clicking on my video. I'm Lex, I'm a dance teacher, and I'm currently teaching in Vietnam. Today we're going to do a beginner elementary combo to the song Capsize, and make sure that you're super warmed up and ready to dance every time before you dance. I have a warm-up video on my channel, and you can check it out and take that video to get fully warmed up before you try any of the combo videos. That way you're safe and you can prevent injury. Alright guys, so here's the full combo.
Up at night I'm awake cause it haunts me that I never got to say what I wanted. I'm not the same as I was with you. I would jump out my skin just to get to you. How could you have ever known if I never let it show? Now I just wanna know. Yeah, I'm fine. Drop tears in the morning. Give it into the lonely. Here it comes with no warning. Oh, capsize, I'm first in the water. Too close to the bottom. Way back where I started. Said I'm fine.
Alright guys, so part one, we're going to start on the floor, facing the back, and you're going to lift up with your knees coming up here. Up at night, I'm awake because it haunts. On haunts, you're going to come over with your hand, haunts me, that I never got to say. Come up on say what I wanted. Fall into that hand. Good. What I wanted. Then you're going to pull on the beat, pull away, da, 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 and then you find your arm and you look at it, got it, on the beat, and engage that whole arm and make sure that you're looking right at your hand. And hold it until the next moment. We're going to roll out. Not the same as I was with you. And pull it up. Then we're going to fall onto our hand and lift and développé our left. Try to get that behind you, good. And with you. We look and we bring it down. Okay? One more time with the lyrics. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up at night, I'm awake because it haunts me. That I never got to say what I wanted. Ha! And click. And roll. Not the same as I was with you. I would jump out my skin just to get to you. And look. Press out of your chest and try to turn out that leg as much as possible. Alright. Try it out.
Up at night I'm awake cause it haunts me that I never got to say what I wanted. I'm not the same as I was with you. I would jump out my skin just to get to you. Up at night I'm awake cause it haunts me that I never got to say what I wanted. I'm not the same as I was with you. I would jump out my skin just to get to you.
Alright, so part two, you're just on the floor. From here, you're going to look at it, and you're going to go on the beat, in and roll up. 7, 8. You're going to fall right onto this leg, cross it in front and turn it out. How? And you're going to catch your head in your hand. Do one high chaîné. Could I have ever known? You're going to pull it in and body roll. And then you're going to go the other way. If I didn't let it show. And do a circle around with your Now I just got to know. All right, try that
I'm not the same as I was with you. I would jump out my skin just to get to you. How could you have ever known if I never let it show? Now I just wanna know. I'm not the same as I was with you. I would jump out my skin just to get to you. How could you have ever known if I never let it show? Now I just wanna know. Yeah, I'm fine. Drop tears in the morning.
All right, and part 3, you just rolled up. No, you're gonna do développé, kick on releve, and try to hold it peanut butter style, super slow, and control it as it comes down. When she says, yeah, I'm fine. We go, no, yeah, coupe, I'm fine. Okay, and that's gonna go straight into a chassé step, American social leaf, or a leaf with the développé, front. Okay, right, and here we go. Now I just gotta know. Yeah, I'm fine. Drop tears in the morning, okay? So, after we do that, I think we're gonna step through. So we did chassé, up, and step through, okay? So, we finished here, we just landed, step through, breathe in, hand, head, and pull around, okay? Good, so let's try that one more time. We just did our head, now I just gotta know. Yeah, I'm fine. Chassé and leap. Step, hand, head, pull. All right, and add that bit on with the music. Let's go.
Could you have ever known if I never let it show? Now I just wanna know. Yeah, I'm fine. Drop tears in the morning. Give it into the lonely. Let it show. Now I just wanna know. Yeah, I'm fine. Drop tears in the morning. Give it into the lonely. Here it comes with no warning. Okay.
All right, guys. So the next part, we just finished our hand, head, pull. She says, "Here it comes with no warning." So you're gonna do rond de jambe to take you around. Here it comes with no warning. Ha. All right, and then she says, "Capsize," and you're gonna go back and do like a tabletop. Capsize, and grab your side, and you're gonna break down. Pull. I'm first in the water. Stand back up, and you're gonna do whatever side you like. Turn, double, coupe, and then press and pull. So we go water, too close to the bottom. Okay, and try to hold that. So it goes. We just finished our. So it goes. We just finished our hands. Hand, head, pull, rond de jambe around, push, and warning, break, and capsize. I'm first in the water, too close to the bottom. Down. All right, try that out.
If I never let it show, now I just wanna know. Yeah, I'm fine. Drop tears in the morning. Give it into the lonely. Here it comes with no warning. Oh, capsize, I'm first in the water, too close to the bottom. Now I just wanna know. Yeah, I'm fine. drop tears in the morning. Give it into the lonely. Here it comes with no warning. Oh, capsize, I'm first in the water. Too close to the bottom. Way back where started, said I'm fine.
Alright guys, so the last part, here we go. We just did our float and we landed. I'll just show you the moves first and then we'll connect with the lyrics. So we go around, chasse back. You're going to shun it to the back and finish with one arm up. Shun, finish. And then pull back and break. Okay? So, alright. So, with the lyrics, you just finished your hold on releve, you land. She says, right back where we started, said I'm fine. So we go right back where I started, said I'm fine, I'm good. And that's the end. Alright guys, go try it out, try the whole thing together, and enjoy.
Here it comes with no warning. Oh, capsize, I'm first in the water. Too close to the bottom. Way back where I started, said I'm fine. Oh, capsize, I'm first in the water. Too close to the bottom. Way back where I started, said I'm fine. Your silhouette is burned in my memory.
Alright, and here's the full combo all together. You can try the whole thing as many times as you like, and let me know how it goes. Good luck!
Up at night I'm awake cause it haunts me that I never got to say what I wanted. I'm not the same as I was with you. I would jump out my skin just to get to you. How could you have ever known if I never let it show? Now I just wanna know. Yeah, I'm fine. Drop tears in the morning. Give it into the lonely. Here it comes with no warning. Oh, capsize, I'm first in the water. Too close to the bottom. Way back where I started.